Hello viewers, welcome back to Smriti channel. In this video, we will see how to prepare Hasgram rasam. Let's start with our ingredients. We need 1 cup of Hasgram, 6 red chilies, 3 tablespoons of pepper, 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of asafoetida, 15 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of crystal salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 50 grams of tamarind, and here we have taken 2 tablespoons of vadiyam. The substitute for this is 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of urud dal. And curry leaves and last coriander leaves. Now let's start the process. We need to boil the Hasgram which we have taken and drain out the water and keep it aside. This is the boiled one. We need to keep this in cooker for 4 whistles. And this is the water which we have got while boiling, and we need to soak the tamarind that we have taken. First keep the pan on the flame and add red chilies at first, then add pepper and asafoetida. Now add the cumin seeds, add fenugreek, add coriander seeds, and we need to keep this stirring, and we need to keep it on a low medium flame, otherwise it will just burn and it will not good. So keep it on a low flame and keep stirring it until we get a nice aroma. Now this is almost done, so now we'll switch off the flame and we'll take the boiled Hasgram and also the garlic cloves, and we'll keep everything into the mixer and grind it. Now this tamarind, whatever we have soaked it, we will squeeze out the pulp and keep it aside. Now we will take the pan and keep it on the flame and add little oil to it. Here we have taken around 4 tablespoons of oil, and add the red chilies, 2 red chilies, and add the vadiyam. As I told you earlier, the substitute for this is 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of urud dal. We can add that if we don't have this. So next to it we will add this turmeric powder, here while doing this also we need to keep it on a low flame, and add the curry leaves to it and keep stirring. Now we'll take this water, tamarind water, and add to it. In this we mix this whatever we grinded in the mixer, that also we mixed into this water, and everything we poured on it. After it boils for around 3 minutes, let's add the sugar and add the crystal salt. Boil this on a medium flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Occasionally stir it. And also you can check the taste if everything is okay, or else we can add if salt is not sufficient, we can add it. Now we have left it and it is keeping boiled, and we just kept it on a medium flame So we need to keep this until we get to this stage. Here see, we can see how it is boiling. After we get to this stage, it's almost ready. After we get to this stage, we can keep it for around 3 to 4 minutes and we can switch off the flame. So now it is ready to serve. We can now, let's transfer this into a serving bowl. And this recipe is very good, and most of us use this for weight loss, and also when we catch with cold, at that time this is a very good recipe. And at last we need to add the finely chopped coriander leaves to it, which will give a nice flavor to it. Just mix it. Yeah, now our recipe is ready, the horse gram rasam. It's very tasty and healthy, and it's used for weight loss. Hope all of you like this video. Thank you all for watching.